Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have fold-out cup holders, USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. Then looking into the front, where we have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, trip information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, eco coach, and comm screen. Then on the left you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. And above that you have your camera view again, you have your hazards and your traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here, pretty simple but easy to use. And then to the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for, you have normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts. Then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. And you have this compartment up here for extra storage. Moving down, you have another 12-volt USB and USB-C, as well as a shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. And looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your fifth passenger seat and sixth seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And underneath that, you even have another lockable compartment for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself and have a nice day.